welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really exciting video. I want to share with you guys this set that I got on Amazon, and I'm going to try it out right here for you guys live just now. We're going to do a first impressions type of video. What we're going to talk about today is this warmer set right here, this wax heater. And this is for waxing, like doing your eyebrows, doing your legs, stuff like that. So what I got in this set, which I'll have linked down below, and I'll have the price linked down below right here for you guys, so you guys see how much what this whole set was. You get popsicle sticks, the little sticks so you can spread it. So since they gave us these big ones, and I wanted to do my eyebrows because my eyebrow trimmer broke, I went to the Dollar Tree and I actually picked up 100 for $1. So I bought those separate, but in the set also comes 4 different sets of hard wax beans for you to try. This one is the chocolate, this one is the black, this one I believe is the lavender, and then this one that I'm using today is the chamomile, I believe. So these are like kind of like sample sizes for you to try. I think the ones that you can buy are bigger, and possibly I'll have to look, but this is a good way to try the different ones to see which one you like the best for what. And then of course you get the wax heater, which I have plugged in. So the first thing you do when you get it is you pick which wax beads you want to use, which I picked this one right here, and then I put, you know, a little bit in there because I'm only doing my eyebrows right now. So you put those in there, and then you turn it all the way up to 185 degrees for about 15 to 25 minutes, which I have a timer set for right now. So I'm just waiting on that to heat up. That's why I haven't showed you guys. And then once it heats up, after 15 to 25 minutes, then you set it to 110 to 125. So I'll do that after it's all melted, and then we will apply it and try it out. And of course I'll have a picture of the wax warmer for you guys, wax heater for you guys, so you guys can see what it looks like. I'll put some of these small regular size popsicle sticks next to it so you guys can kind of gauge how big it is. So I'm excited to try this out. I've never waxed with this kind of wax before, so I'm really excited. I've done the like stick wax things and ripped them off, and that really made me have a dry patch right here under my eye. So I didn't feel comfortable putting makeup on for a while till it went away. It was like a week that it was there almost, because it wouldn't like blend right there. So I'm super excited to try this out today. I've watched a few videos on this, and the people that I've watched say it's painless, and I think I have got it down, so we'll see how it goes. So if you guys want to see me wax my eyebrows and how well it does or doesn't go, please keep watching. Okay, so the wax is heated up and ready to go, and it says to test it on your arm to see if it's too hot or not, and I already did that, and it was not. So what we're gonna do, I put it on about 125, right in between 110 and 125, probably more towards the 125. And now I am going to apply it. I think I'm just gonna do the top part right here until we figure out whether or not it is really painless for me or not. But I'm gonna go ahead and grab some of the wax out of here. And when you apply wax, you're supposed to put it the way your hair grows. So I want to apply this the way that my hair grows. And I saw a video that says if you accidentally get this where you don't want to peel it off, you just use water and put it in there until you get it, like scrape it out. You don't rip it out, because it'll rip your hair. Like if I accidentally got it through my whole eyebrow. It's kind of hard to see without a mirror, as you guys can see. But you want to do it like that, and then you're just going to wait for it to harden. Maybe I'll do it underneath too. Well, I'm nervous that it's going to hurt, and then I'm going to mess it up. No, I think I'll be alright. Okay. Woo. Okay. And then when you rip it off, you're going to rip against the way it grows. So if you apply it this way, you're going to rip it this way. So I'm going to let this cool down for just a second, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back, and these should be good and ready. And now you just want to peel up on the end. Ow. I kind of connected them a little bit, my bad. Ow, 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 ow. Ow. Okay. Okay. Ow. Okay. So you can see the hairs. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but I can see my, yeah, see it? See that right there? Right there. Those are my eyebrow hairs that I ripped right there. But since my trimmer broke, I need to get some water because I got it on my eyebrow up there. But I'm going to do this a few times so I can fix it up, you know, perfect. But, alright, let's do the bigger one. I wouldn't say it's painless, but it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Ow. Ow. I was trying to rip the whole thing off and it didn't work. Ooh, it's making my eye water. Ow. It wrapped out a whole bunch of little hairs that are on my face, and then it ripped out those hairs right there. And then I've seen somewhere that you, when you rip it off, you automatically want to put the pressure on where you just ripped off, and it kind of helps the nerves so it won't hurt as bad. But look at that. You guys can kind of see if you were paying attention, like if you saw. You can see how much more cleaned up it is. I will definitely use this a few more times for sure. I'm going to fix my eyebrows real quick and then I'll come back and, you know, you guys will see me in a different video. But since my thing doesn't work, I want to do my eyebrows with waxing them. But that's really cool. I think that's cool that you can get a set so you can do it at home by yourself. Especially for me because I don't want to pay to go get my eyebrows waxed. So that's awesome. So if you guys want to check out this set, definitely go on the link down below on Amazon. And I will put a picture of my eyebrows finished after I finish doing this. Since I was just practicing with that one, I'm going to go in and do it again and line it up closer if I can. And you guys will see the finished of it. But yeah, that's awesome. Very cool. I would definitely give it, when I rate this on my Amazon store, if you guys want to check it out, I will give this a 5 stars because you get a bunch of different waxes to try. It wasn't that hard to do. It never said it was painless or anything. I just, you know, from watching videos that I've watched, it didn't look like it was very painful. And it's not that bad. I don't mind doing it myself. I don't like using tweezers. So that is a lot easier for me to just rip a whole bunch of hairs off all at once than to do individual ones. So yeah, if you guys like this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. Like I said, the links will be down below for the information, and social media where you can follow me will be down there below as well. I'll probably have a picture on my Instagram of like the before my eyebrows and after when I get done with this. And let's see, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can check out the giveaways playlist for open giveaways that I have going on. I have another one coming pretty soon too. And comment down below. Let me know if you've ever tried waxing your at home, if you go to the salon and get waxed. I think where I can get it waxed, I think it's like $10 or $20 somewhere in, I think it's $10, and then you can get other, especially if you bundle services, I know, because that's usually what we do if we get anything done, like if we get our eyelashes done and we get our eyebrows done, they kind of like take money off here and there when you get more and more done. So I can't remember for sure though. I can insert it right here if I look it up real quick and then find out how much it is. But that's about how much it is when my friend gets her eyebrows waxed. And I prefer to do my eyebrows myself, and I get compliments when I go into Sephora. They're like, oh, where do you get your eyebrows done? I'm like, I do it myself. But that was with my trimmer, so we'll see if I get compliments still with this wax. But I think it's pretty cool. I'm excited about it. I'm in love with it. I would definitely recommend it. So yeah. And then comment down below, like I said, let me know what you do for your eyebrows, or if you're going to check out this set, because I definitely would. It's awesome. I can't wait to do my legs with it, see how long it lasts for sure. See if it lasts, like since pulling the hair out, see if it lasts a little longer. That'd be awesome. And yeah, and I will see you guys in the next video.